Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and this has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it has been selling since then. And of course it has gotten to this spot. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and this had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and of course broke out from this particular support zone to get to this support zone. And of course if it's unable to break out below this, then definitely it will go back fully on an uptrend. Okay, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend right from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 actually went on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from this resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend. You can see forming a M, and of course it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is volatility 75. It was on uptrend before, but right now it's on downtrend. We just need it to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more, and we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skills, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.